If you're tired of the hassle of cleaning between your teeth or struggling with tight spaces around braces, you know how important it is to find a tool that makes the job easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DenTek Easy Brush Plaque Control Interdental Cleaners in the Tight Fit version. These are designed to help you keep your teeth and dental appliances cleaner and fresher, and I've been putting them to the test to see if they live up to the hype. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews here on Beautyistic. These interdental cleaners come in a convenient 3-pack with 16 brushes per pack. Their primary purpose is to help remove food and plaque from the tight spaces between your teeth or around dental work like braces. The brush features a tapered design with soft bristles that can easily slide into smaller gaps while gently cleaning. The flexible wire ensures that the bristles bend and contour to reach those hard-to-access areas, making it ideal for use around braces, crowns, or bridges. One of the first things that caught my attention was the non-slip flexible handle. It's designed for comfort and control, which really does make a difference during use. When you're cleaning in those narrow spaces, you need precision, and this handle gives you the confidence to move through your dental routine without slipping. The advanced fluoride coating on the bristles is also a nice touch. It not only helps with plaque removal, but also provides an extra layer of protection against cavities. Plus, the mouthwash blast mint flavor leaves your mouth feeling refreshed after each use. In terms of usability, these brushes are easy to incorporate into a daily routine. I found that they fit comfortably in between my teeth, and even in tighter spots, they still manage to get the job done without being too aggressive or uncomfortable. Whether you're using them in the morning, after lunch, or in the evening, they don't feel like a chore to use, and they really help maintain a clean mouth, especially if you have tight dental work. The fluoride coating offers peace of mind that I'm doing more than just removing debris. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the DenTek Easy Brush Plaque Control Interdental Cleaners are effective, easy to use, and designed for comfort. The non-slip handle and flexible wire make them a breeze to maneuver, and the mint flavor adds a nice touch. If you have braces, bridges, or other dental work, these are a must-try. The only downside I found was that if you don't have particularly tight spaces between your teeth, they might feel a little too thin. But for those who need that tight fit, they're spot on. In terms of value for money, I think these offer a fair price for what you're getting. You're getting 3 packs, each with 16 brushes, which should last quite a while depending on how frequently you use them. The fluoride coating and the overall design make them worth the price if you're looking for a practical, efficient way to keep your teeth clean, especially in hard-to-reach places. If you're on a budget, there are other interdental cleaners out there that are more affordable, but in my opinion, DenTek offers great quality for the price. There are cheaper options, but they might not have the same attention to detail in terms of design and functionality. The build quality of these brushes is solid. The bristles are soft but durable enough to handle regular use, and the handle feels sturdy, which is important since you're putting pressure on it during use. These are meant to last through multiple cleaning sessions, so you can expect them to hold up well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, DenTek has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful if any issues arise, but I haven't had to reach out personally. It's always good to know that the brand stands behind its products though. So, after trying out these brushes, I'd say they're an excellent tool for anyone who needs to maintain tight, clean spaces between their teeth. If you're using braces or have other dental appliances, they're a great investment. And if you're just looking for a better way to clean in between your teeth, these brushes will do the job. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.